Kavya Shah, congratulations on getting ranked 50. It was a great achievement, and we are so proud of you. And welcome to the EdnoCast, the rankers of Ednovate. This is a special series for all our rankers, and amazing accomplishment. So, how is the feeling? And I know that you never aspired to get a rank, और वो बस आपकी झोली में आके गिर गई. So, how is the feeling, and what do you want to share about it?
It was a good feeling when I got the rank. I was shocked that I got a rank, but still it was good. My parents were proud and it was good.
वेरी नाइस. बट आपने उसके बारे में सोचा नहीं था एंड आ गया. सो आपने क्या किया, मतलब व्हाट डिड यू डू? यू जस्ट स्टडीड एंड
Just studying consistently.
ओके एंड इट वाज नेवर ऑन योर रडार. So congratulations, it just fall on your lap. But I'm sure you would have done. You're being too kind and modest to tell that you didn't aspire for it. But definitely you have worked hard that it has come. Like you have scored at 50.
Just the consistency that helped it.
Very nice, very nice. So you have scored less than 300 marks in foundation from coming from here to achieving a rank. What changed? I mean, what changed? What strategy did you change? What changed over a period of time? Because ultimately now you're a rank holder. You cannot say that you didn't aspire for it. We don't care about it now.
So in foundation, I didn't have much consistency. In the end, I studied a lot, but that didn't help to get more than 300. So that 3 marks still hurt because I missed one answer which I wrote correctly and then I wrote it differently. Then I don't know what I regretted that at that time because everyone was like 300 and above is good. Just 3 marks below, no one would care about
Correct.
the marks.
Correct.
So nothing changed, just consistency helped it.
Who was your support system and how did you navigate it? And how did you keep that positive mindset? I know you're very spiritually inclined, Kavya. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बता.
So my parents and some college friends, because at NM we majority of the students do CA, so there was much insights from everyone, like what we have to do and how we have to proceed. That helped a lot. And sitting in library for 3 months, like there were friends who actually were studying with us, and everyone studying. It motivates everyone like to study more and be ahead of them.
करेक्ट. नो एब्सोल्युटली. एंड व्हेन यू हैव फ्रेंड्स अराउंड यू जो आपको मोटिवेट करे, उससे अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Because there's a saying, I think everyone has grown up with that. A man and or a woman is known by the company he or she keeps, right? तो आप आपके आसपास किन लोगों को रखते हो और वो लोग आपको क्या देते हैं और आप उनसे क्या लेते हो, आई थिंक वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. इट मैटर्स अ लॉट एंड आई थिंक इट मैटर्ड बिकॉज आपका तो रैंक लिया है उसके चक्कर में. आप उनको देख के पढ़ रहे थे एंड यू स्कोर्ड अ रैंक. एंड आई नो फ्रेंड्स गेट लिटिल, इसका तो आने नहीं वाला था, ये तो ना ही बोल रहा था एंड इसका आ गया. बट आई नो एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड दे वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू बिकॉज दे आर योर ट्रू फ्रेंड्स. सो इट रियली थोड़ा होता है, बट देन इट्स ऑल इन द गेम. आई एम श्योर दे मस्ट बी प्राउडली टॉकिंग अबाउट यू कि काव्या को रैंक आया. को काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने बोला कि यू वांट टू लीव एंड दे प्रॉम्प्टेड यू दैट यू शुड लीव योर कॉलेज which is your NM college, because I think there's an attendance issue out there. But पता नहीं आपको शायद उधर ही रहना था, तो you didn't listen to what the public is saying. You continued with NM and in spite of all that you scored a rank. So tell us a little about that.
NM college was like it helps you bring consistency. Like every day you will go to college, you will see friends and you will study on your own. Like you are seeing everyone studying hard and harder. It helps to motivate everyone. Like at NM, everyone is doing CA, so it helps a lot. And also, I know I won't study at home. Like at home, there is a bed beside me, so I'll go and sleep there. Use mobile phone. So that helped in bringing consistency.
तो आई थिंक आप आपके आसपास वो एक फ्रेमवर्क रखना चाहते थे जिससे कि, सो आई थिंक सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, मैं जो आप जो बोल रहे हो उससे जो समझ में कि पहले खुद को समझना कि मेरे क्या पॉइंट्स हैं जिनके से मुझे भागना है. लाइक मैं घर पे रहूँगा तो सो जाऊँगा, घर पे रहूँगा तो मोबाइल, क्योंकि आप लाइब्रेरी में हो तो फ़ोन यूज़ करना इतना पॉसिबल नहीं होता. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू हैव टू कीप इट इन द लॉकर or you have to keep it in a silent mode, and once it is on a silent, you can't even keep it on a vibration mode. Silent mode में अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो तो you generally don't get distracted over a period of time. So I think at your age to understand कि भाई मेरे ये, I mean these are my issues and working on those issues कि भाई मैं इनसे ऐसे ही भाग सकता हूँ is commendable, and that's on a positive side. So hats off to you. Tell me something about कि आपको, so what sets for you Ednovate apart from other coaching institute, and how did Ednovate help you or pave the path for you to score good marks plus get a rank?
So conceptual clarity that helped a lot. Like every teacher, we asked doubts about why the thing is like this way. So we would get the answers like this is because of this, and there's a reason behind everything that helps to understand and remember for a longer period.
Right, right.
That helped a lot.
And what all other things that you want to share? So we know that we stand for conceptual clarity. We have the best of teachers, but what are the other features which you think made you choose Ednovate over others?
The fun element also helped a lot. Like the teachers not only studying and studying, the fun element helped to bring consistency again, because the fun element lets you focus for more time and it helps a lot.
Right. Ednovate में जो आपका rigorous writing practice is something which we focus a lot, and इसके लिए हम continuous homework देते हैं, फिर chapter wise test होते हैं, फिर आपके unit test होते हैं, prelims होते हैं, तो we ensure that बच्चा consistently पढ़ता रहे वो चीज़ और भूले नहीं. So what impact does it have on you with respect to, like, were you writing papers regularly? What advice you want to give to other CA aspirants कि नहीं, और आपने ये सब किया इस वजह से you felt that you were slightly a little better off from other students?
So the writing practice in the classes itself and also at home, it helps a lot to remember everything. Like if you read it, you will remember for a few days. Like you have to remember it for 8 months. So writing helps a lot. Also the test, the class test and the homework helps to revise everything what you have learned in that day. So and the prelims, it is very helpful to complete the paper 100%. Like people used to finish the paper 80 marks and think we have attended complete 80 marks with properly. So completing 100% paper ensures that you can get more marks even if you have not written properly. Like I completed my paper 100%, that helps a lot to score a rank.
Absolutely, and I totally agree with you. तो मैं भी ऐसी हूँ, मैं हमेशा पेपर में कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ के आती, और अगर मेरा 2 मार्क का भी छूट गया तो मेरे को टेंशन हो जाती है. So I'm someone who have always written full papers, always got good marks, and I think that I got good marks because I've written something or other for the answer. So I think are similar in that sense. And even if I don't know something, even if I don't know an answer, but it's just not that you don't know anything about it. Maybe you don't know the answer, but you know something about it, right? I ensure that I attempt that question, I write it, and there are higher possibilities that maybe what clicked to you at that point in time is the right answer, right? So I never get panic when I'm writing my exam. So tell me something कि आपने during the study leave जो आपको था, and I know you have not completed even 2 revisions, तो study leave में आपने और सबका revision actually तरीके अलग अलग होते हैं. मतलब कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मेरा 5 रिवीजन हो गया, लेकिन वो कैसे रिवाइज कर रहे हैं इज वेरी डिफरेंट, और सबका रिटेंशन रेट भी अलग होता है. मतलब कुछ लोगों को 2 रिविजन्स में पढ़ के याद हो जाता है, कुछ को 7 रिवीजन लगते हैं, कुछ को एक बार पढ़ लिया, दूसरी बार पढ़ लिया और तीसरी बार वो पेपर दे सकते हैं. सो बिकॉज हर बच्चा अलग अलग हिसाब से पढ़ता है. सो आई एम नॉट हैविंग दैट कि नहीं इतना रिवीजन करोगे उतना रिवीजन करो. लेकिन जब आपका स्टडी लीव स्टार्ट हुआ, आफ्टर द पोर्शन कंप्लीट हुआ, तो आपको पता ही था कि बस अब तो मेरी जर्नी शुरू हो गई, अब तो भाई मेरे को पढ़ना है, अभी एग्जाम से 3 महीने में मेरे. तो स्टडी लीव में आपने कोई शेड्यूल बनाया, आपने ऐसा क्या डिफरेंटली किया? आई वांट टू नो कि आप क्या क्या करते थे ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम लीव.
Like before the study leave, we had classes regularly. So coming to classes, like आज का पढ़ के हो जाएगा. लेकिन after that you have to study on your own. That's a different challenge. Like you have no one to say to you that you have to study. You have to study. And that is something very challenging. The college library, I wake up, go to college, then sit complete day for in the library itself and study. So I had planned for 7 days each subject, starting from the last subject, but that was not possible. Like it never got completed in
7 days.
And in April, I thought of writing mock test even without completing the papers, because I know mock test would help me a lot. So without completing the portion of one subject, I started writing mock test, and I got failed in one subject. That clicked me that I need to study more. So then I studied more and more, which helped me.
राइट और आपने ऐसा कुछ शेड्यूल बनाया था 7 days तो आपने बता दिया कि आपने हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए 7 दिन दिए थे एंड देन यू ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड राइटिंग मॉक टेस्ट जिससे आपको ये भी पता चला कि भाई मैं थोड़े चीज़ों में वीक हुआ, आई हैव टू पिक अप नाउ, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पकड़ना पड़ेगा, गाड़ी पीछे छूट रही है करके. सो पर आपने कुछ ऐसा स्टडी शेड्यूल था, वर यू स्टडिंग ओनली 1 सब्जेक्ट इन अ डे या 2 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे थे आप कि 3 पढ़ रहे थे?
Like firstly I thought that प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स तो हो जाएंगे एक दिन में एक पूरा सब्जेक्ट, बट थियरी सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं हो पाएगा. बट देन आई केम टू नो दैट if I do theory with along with the practical, I end up doing complete day practical subject and theory is like बाद में कर लेंगे. And then I started focusing on one subject, completely theory.
थियोरी, ओके. तो 1 सब्जेक्ट इन अ डे, मतलब पहले एक पूरा सब्जेक्ट खत्म करा फिर उसके बाद यू यूज्ड टू जंप ऑन द सेकंड सब्जेक्ट.
Yeah,
मतलब आपने कभी ऐसा 2 या 3 सब्जेक्ट इन अ सिंगल डे नहीं पढ़े हैं?
I started with it, but
You realize, yeah. No, it's absolutely, because I am someone, so thank you for doing that. So आपसे पहले Naman has come and I was telling, so he said I used to study 4 subjects a day. I said that is something which I can't switch subjects. And to whomsoever rankers I've spoken until now, right, our rankers, I realize that there is a bifurcation. मतलब boys जो है वो हमेशा बोल रहे होते हैं कि मैं 2 से 3 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहा हूँ और गर्ल्स बोल रही होती हैं कि मैं एक ही सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रही हूँ. But with this batch of rankers, कल रेशी और मानसी just give the opposite reply that we couldn't just do 1 subject, we have to do multiple, and now you are here telling मैं एक subject. So मैं भी एक ही subject वाली हूँ. I couldn't switch so quickly. I want to just grasp. मुझे उसको, so if I'm studying costing, I have to eat, sleep and live costing. और वो फिर मेरे दिमाग में घूमता था, मतलब कैसे formulas घूमते हैं ना आइंस्टाइन के, वो I used to do that. तो फिर वो system में बैठ जाता था मेरे. But if I switch subjects, like 3 subjects at a time, it's not working for me. So I think सबका style होता है, जो जिसके लिए work करे. I think the message to all the audiences, जो जिसके लिए work करे वो करो और आपका भी एक पैटर्न बन जाता है. आप इतने बड़े हो गए हैं कि आपको पता है कि ऐसे पढ़ना है या ऐसे पढ़ना है. So I think that is also important. तो you should hear what Kavya is saying, but follow your advice कि एक subject 2 subjects जो पढ़ना है आप पढ़िए. What is one piece of advice you want to give to CA students कि ऐसा आपको करना चाहिए, ऐसा करना चाहिए, थोड़ा मस्ती करना चाहिए, क्या क्या आप एक एडवाइस देना चाहते हो उनको कि what they should do who is aspiring for their CA foundation or CA inter exams?
don't focus completely on studies. Like I used to go to college to also have a social life. Like if you completely study, then there's no social life also. And one thing that consistency helps. Like if you are partying for a day, you have to cover up the next day and finish it off, and which will help to bring consistency, which will eventually end up getting good marks.
Got it. So it's like work hard, party harder, but वो सब के चक्कर में अपना मेन एम मत भूलो. ठीक है, सोशल लाइफ चाहिए, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट डोंट गेट कैरिड अवे बाय इट. तो आई थिंक काव्य आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, आप खुद को पुल बैक कर पाते हो. बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं कर पाते. मतलब यू नो यू ड्रॉन अ लाइन, घर पे बैठूंगा तो नींद आएगी, बट who will force you to go back to the library, right? You yourself were doing all those things. Jo, I think I'm not sure, I think that's what separates ranker from a non-ranker or people those who are failing. It's the mindset issue, right? With the mindset issue, now I would like to ask you, so आपके पास बहुत सारे distractions हैं जो हमारे पास नहीं थे हमारे टाइम पे. Those distractions being social media platforms. Instagram is the biggest killer. You have Snapchats, you have so many things which even I don't know कौन-कौन से आप apps use करते हैं. And of course you have LinkedIn, you have OTT platforms also. You can at your whims, wishes, you can watch whatever you want to. So just throw some light on that कि आप कैसे manage कर पा रहे थे. I know you are very self-determined, very self-controlled person. बट आपने क्या अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया ऐप या आप बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं स्पेंड कर देते. एंड यू नो दैट दिस इज योर लाइफ, राइट? मैंने 10 महीने पढ़ लिया, उसके बाद तो मेरी लाइफ सेट है.
So for the last 2 months, I switched off Instagram, but the OTT platforms, you can't leave it. Like you need something to fresh up. So for a while, half an hour a day, obviously everyone opens it.
Yes,
Stopping Instagram reels, which was the major distraction.
correct.
So completely stopped Instagram and deactivated my account for the last 2 months.
Very nice.
Then I switched to YouTube Shorts, but I can't remember myself. I did it. Like
One thing which you regret that मैं इससे बेटर करता थोड़ा, या थोड़ा माइंडसेट ही बना लेता. रैंक का तो मेरा जो 50 रैंक आया है, वो शायद 12, 11, 1, 2, 3 हो सकता था. So what was that one regret or 2 regret or 3 regrets that you have?
I should not used to study on holidays because I didn't go to college. So at home, studying was a problem for me. So I very rarely I used to study at holidays. Only when the exam was near, I used to study at home, like focused. Other than that, I don't remember anything like where I was focused at home studying.
और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप कुछ 4 पेपर एक्स्ट्रा सॉल्व कर लेते या कुछ ऐसा कर लेते विच वुड हैव मेड दैट चेंज विल बी अ गेम चेंजर अगर आपके पास आप अच्छे से शेड्यूल करते या थोड़ा टाइम बेटर होता तो.
Like in just first paper accounts, the first half hour I panicked a lot because the first question I started, I thought I knew it, but then when I solved it, in halfway I got stuck. Then I thought of trying the next question, but that keeps on haunting. Like you have not written the first question properly, and half an hour you took it. So that, yeah. And also after the paper, for the law paper, I didn't study because like it was not in the mental state was not proper to study for law. Like it was theory already, and then with this mindset it was difficult to study. So I started the next day, which I regret because if I would have started on the same day, I could have got better marks.
But then I just wanted to tell to everybody that the past is gone, the future is unknown, the present is what you have in your hand. Work towards that, and that's how you'll make the change. जो हो गया उसको तो चेंज नहीं कर सकते. तो आई थिंक अगर वो आप एक दिन शायद मार्क्स पिक हो जाते लॉ में, वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट हो जाता है ना ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. नाउ आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू अबाउट योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. आप सब कुछ, यू बीइंग अ जैन, आप सब फॉलो करते हो, बट टेल मी हु सपोर्टेड मम्मी पापा योर सिबलिंग्स और who wanted you to become a CA? वो ड्रीम किसका था? आपका खुद का था? How did you chose that option and how that support system helped you?
So my first cousin brother is a CA, so I had a thought in mind that I have to do CA, and also like waking up at 6 o'clock and making tiffin for me. Like mom used to wake up every day at 6 o'clock and make tiffin for me. I had to use tiffin every day because I have to sit till 9 o'clock. So
Right.
that was the biggest support, and seeing my parents work hard has always helped me to study more because I have to do it.
Right.
You have to finish it.
Correct. And you also want to make them feel proud कि उन्होंने भी इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है. एंड सीए आप अकेले नहीं बनते, आपकी पूरी फैमिली आपके साथ होती है आपको सीए बनाने के लिए. एंड चलो अभी आपसे करते हैं हम रैपिड फायर राउंड. आप हमको बताइए कि क्विकली यू हैव टू टेल इट. अगर आप बताओगे इनके आंसर्स तो यू विल गेट ऑफ कोर्स द हैम्पर एंड आई होप यू विल लव इट. मम्मी और पापा फॉर यू.
Man, like
Boys are all mama's boy, right? First person whom you shared your rank with. Oh, one person you admire the most in Ednovate.
Dhawan sir and Sagar sir.
Okay. What does success mean to you?
Parents happy.
Wow. And are you more religious or are you more spiritual?
Religious.
More religious than spiritual. Okay, great. So thank you so much, Kavya. Thank you for coming to our podcast, and we really appreciate your time.